Some things are best said in one's own mother tongue. Koo is a microblogging platform which revolves around this exact idea and is arguably India's first language-based platform of its kind. A study by KPMG and Google had found that regional language users will account for nearly 75% of India's internet user base by 2021. Koo is seeking to tap into this vast vernacular space.
Yeah, it is very difficult, when you're using an app and you see 5 posts in English, 2 posts in Hindi, third post in Kannada. So your mind is always tuned to English. So you will consume all the English content and you're not in the frame of mind to go and consume in other languages.
Besides a higher character limit on posts when compared to Twitter, Aprameya points out that Koo is trying to give a voice to majority of Indians to express themselves.
English first platforms have been stagnant for a long time, right? For example, Twitter. They've been at 20 million users for a very, very long time. And they've hit that glass ceiling because it is not language friendly, right? We think that Koo can actually break that barrier and get the other 300, 400 million people who have access to the internet onto Koo. When you take other countries, right, like a Russia or a China, their Twitter equivalents, whether it's Weibo or whatever else Russia uses, they are actually half of the internet population of that country, right? So if you just take that as an example, Koo has the potential to at least have as many users as half the internet users of the country.
Competing in a space with other established microblogging giants is challenging indeed.
As a 5-month-old product taking on a 14-year-old company from the US, of course talent is the biggest challenge. We want really good engineers because at the end of it, your product is being pitted against the best in the world.
Right now, Koo is available for Kannada, Telugu, Tamil and Hindi speakers. The microblogging platform will be expanding to include Bangla, Gujarati, Malayalam, Odia, Punjabi and Assamese.
In terms of plans going ahead, we're very clear. We want to be the largest microblogging platform for India. As a company, we run 2 products, another product called Vocal as well. So we had raised money for Vocal about a couple of years ago. With that money, with a little bit of that money that we had raised for Vocal, we experimented Koo. Now, as Koo is growing and it has seen a lot of potential, we're in talks with various investors to actually raise money explicitly for growing Koo.
The homegrown microblogging platform has certainly waded into exciting territory. Would you rather post in your own language? Do tell us in the comments below.